Hello everyone! Welcome back to our channel Walking Thoughts Nebraska. For our video this time, we are going to share with you our adventures as we continue to look for other hiking places west side of Lincoln, Nebraska. So today we are headed to Aurora, Nebraska. Aurora is about an hour and 8 minutes drive west using I-80 from Lincoln, Nebraska. Aurora is a city in Hamilton, Nebraska. In 1861, David Millspaw became the first permanent settler here in the area. And here we are. Over there on the right side, you're going to see the welcome sign, the sign that welcomes us to Pioneer Trails Recreation Area. Pioneer Trails Recreation Area is one of the recreation areas managed by the Upper Big Blue Natural Resources District. This recreation area is just about a mile from Highway 34 where we exited from Highway 80. It sits in a tranquil lake with lots to offer. This recreation area offers amenities such as picnic shelters, grills, restrooms, and campsites for RVs and tents. They even have a mini amphitheater here on the right side. You're going to see it. This could be a location for a summer concert series that they feature out for the residents. This recreation area features a 40 surface acre lake that you can see around here, which can store 277 acre feet of water. This lake was constructed on a tributary of Lincoln Creek in 1986. The project was designed to provide flood control, aquifer recharge, wildlife habitat, and recreational opportunities. When we walked closer to the lake, we saw a trail nearby. Trails around the lake are perfect for biking, hiking, horseback riding, or dog walking. Fishing, boating, and swimming are popular activities in this park as well. There are some wildlife in the area as well. If you have the proper licenses, you can also hunt ducks, geese, deer, pheasant, quail, turkey, and fur bearers. A reminder though that although hunting is allowed, target shooting is prohibited in this area. From standing here, you're going to see that the area is very expansive. On the left side though, you saw that there's some chicken wire there. That's the mark that the other side is already a private property. We are going to stay on our side as this is public land and we are able to hike here. They have about half a mile of trail over on this side as well. And then you're going to see the road here. On that road, you're going to see the area where you could have tent and RV camping. It is allowed in this area from mid-April through the end of October each year. We saw chicken wires at the other edge of this trail too. So that means that other end it's going to be private property as well. We're going to make our U-turn here so that we could go to our parking space. We want to thank you again for always joining us in our hiking adventures. Remember to hit the subscribe button, the like button, and the notification bell as well. That way, whenever we have a new video, you'll be updated. We'll see you next time. Bye!